lesson 1. Yes. Now we can revise the portion. Lesson 2, force and pressure motion. Have you remember force? Force means anything can be pull or push. That means an object change from their place to another place. Okay. Then motion. What is the meaning of motion? Motion means an object is moving. When an object is moving from its position. Listen, change in the position of an object with respect time. With a particular time or with respect time, an object will be changed from its position. Okay, that is called motion. Motion means always moving. Okay, in the motion we have different types. Okay, they are translatory motion, circular motion, repetitive motion, oscillatory motion, random motion and multiple motion. Okay, first one is translatory motion. Translatory motion means an object or many objects will be moved from one place to another place with the same distance. For example, many students are running from this line to that line. Okay, so they are running together at the same distance. All the people are moving from this place to another place at the same distance. Okay, that is the translatory motion. Another one example is when we are going by car, two or more than two people moving by car. Then totally the car is moving from one distance to another distance, one place to another place. Inside the car we are traveling. No, so people also can be moved from this place to that place. So the whole object will be changed from one place to another place at the same distance. That is the translatory motion. And next one is circular motion. Okay, circular motion means an object will be whole circle, full circle. Always an object will be circled the place, circling. They are moving its position in circle way. For example, when we are playing the musical chair, we will make a circle while moving. Yes, in position we will be make a circle. Okay, that is the example of circular motion. Next one is oscillatory motion. Okay, oscillatory motion or vibrating motion. Oscillatory motion means an object will be moved from one place to another place. Again it will be come back. Okay, moving front to back. For example, swing. Yes, and also simple pendulum. Do you know simple pendulum? Yes, an object will be moved from front and back. Okay, that is called oscillatory motion or vibratory motion. It is in its position of mean position. Listen here. For example, this is the simple pendulum. From here, one ball is here. This is its original position. Okay, the simple pendulum is moving here and also here. Okay, before moving an object will be stay in one place. Is it? That is called mean position. Okay, before moving, before start to move the position, move from one place to another place, it will be saying that mean position. Okay, after that, when we are kicking this ball, it will be moved from front and back. Okay, that is called oscillatory motion or vibratory motion. This is the example, and another one also swing. It will be moved front and back. Okay, that is called oscillatory motion. And vibratory motion means when we use the guitar, before that we will using the string, no? That will be vibrate. And when we touch the drum, it will be vibrate. Okay, we will find the vibration. That is the vibration. Okay, next one is rotatory motion. Do you know? One is rotatory motion. Rotatory motion means an object will be rotate at a fixed point. It has a fixed point. For example, ceiling fan and windmill. Okay, it has a fixed point. It will be rotate. Okay, it will be rotate like this. It has a fixed point. So that is called rotatory motion. Okay. The next one is repetitive motion. Repetitive motion means once an object will do one type of motion, again it will be repeat the motion. Okay. Again it will be repeat at a particular time, at a same time or particular time. Okay. It has two types. One is periodic motion. Another one is non-periodic motion. Periodic motion and non-periodic motion. Periodic motion means an object will be rotate or the object will be in motion. It will be repeat at a regular time. Okay, at a regular time. For example, revolution of the earth. Okay, and earth will be rotate its axis. That is the periodic motion. And non-periodic motion means an object will be rotate or move from its position, but it's not in particular time. Okay, for example, the falling leaf, falling the apple from the tree. Okay, these are some examples of non-periodic motion. Okay, next one is random motion. Random motion means an object will be on motion. It will be anywhere. It will move anywhere. It will be not in a particular distance or not in regular time. Okay, so that is called random motion. Always it will be in moving or always it will be in motion. Next one is multiple motion. Multiple motion means an object will be make one or more than motion. Object will be make one or more than motion. It is called multiple motion. For example, when we ride a bicycle, the bicycle will be rotate. Is so rotatory motion and it will be circular. Okay, so circular motion and the vehicle will be moved forward. Yes. Then another one is drilling machine. When we use drilling machine, the hits will be moving forward. Okay, hits will be moved forward and machine will be rotate. Okay, so rotatory motion will be there. So these are examples of multiple motion. Okay, what are the some types of motions? Translatory motion, circular motion, repetitive motion, oscillatory motion, random motion, multiple motion and rotatory motion. Next one is uniform speed, non-uniform speed and average speed. Okay, first one is uniform speed. Uniform speed means a body travels covering the equal distances in equal intervals of time. A vehicle is moving or vehicle travels, it will be cover the equal distances in equal intervals of time. For example, one vehicle is moving from 7 o'clock from 0 position. Okay, from 0 kilometer, it is moving from 7 to 8 am. It is moving at 10 kilometer. Okay. Again, after 1 hour, after 9 am, it will be moved 20 kilometer. Okay, next 1 hour, that means at 10 a.m. it will move 30 kilometer. Okay, so from 7 to 8, how many total? 10 kilometer. The vehicle moves 10 kilometer. From 8 to 9, this is the 1 hour. From 20 to 10, that means 20 minus 10. Distance 10 kilometer. From 9 to 10, it will be from 20 to 30. So 30 minus 20, 10 kilometer. Have you understand? This is the equal distance in equal intervals of time. Okay, the vehicle moves equal distances in equal intervals of time. Okay, that is the uniform speed. And non-uniform speed means unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Okay, a body travels covering unequal distances in the equal intervals of time. For example, one car is moving 7 a.m. from 0 kilometer. At 8 a.m. it moves 12 kilometer. Okay. Next, another 1 hour. Listen here. After 1 hour, it will be taken 12 kilometer. Next 1 hour, it will be taken 26 minus 12. That means 14 kilometer. Okay. Next 1 hour, it will be taken 35 minus 26. So 9 kilometer. So the distance of the equal distance of it will be different. Okay, distance will be different at the same interval of time. Okay, equal interval of time, unequal distance, the body is covered. Okay, so this is the non-uniform speed and also average speed. Average speed means the total distance covered by a body. Average speed is equal to total distance covered and total time taken. Total distance covered a body divided by total time taken. When we have to use this formula, we should do some numerical questions. Okay. Average speed is equal to speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. From here, when we have to find the distance is equal to speed into time. Have you understand? Next one is scalar and vector quantities. Okay, scalar quantities means a physical quantity is described by its magnitude. Only the numerical numbers. Okay, described by its magnitude. For example, speed, length, mass, distance. Okay, these are the examples of scalar quantities. And vector quantities means it is a physical quantity. Vector is a physical quantity. It is described by both magnitude and its direction. Okay, for example, force, weight and displacement. Okay, and listen, distance means, what is the name of distance? The total covering area of an body from its position. Okay, listen. A vehicle is moving from point A. Okay, then the vehicle is moving here, then it's coming here, moving here, and again it's coming here and stopping here. Okay, so from A to D point, B to C point, C to D point, D to E point, E to F point. Okay, this is the total distance covered by an object. Okay, total distance covered by an object. Okay, for example, here 7 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 3 kilometer and 5 kilometer. Okay, this is the total distance covered by an area. This is called distance. Displacement means it is the shortest area covered by an object from starting position to end position. This is the shortest area. Okay, this is the shortest area. This is displacement. Totally this area is 11 kilometer. Okay, so distance means it will be covered the total distance or long distance. Displacement means it is the shortest distance from starting position to final position. Okay, next one is uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means we have learned about uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Yes, same like that. A body travels from one place to another place. Yes, it will be equal direction and equal intervals of time. A body travels between the same distance or equal distances and equal intervals of time, its direction. Okay, specified direction. And non-uniform motion or non-uniform velocity means an object travels from unequal distance between the equal intervals of time and its direction will be changed. Okay, that is the non-uniform velocity or non-uniform motion. Now, difference between the mass and weight. Mass means we know already we have learned about mass. Yes, it is the amount of matter or amount of an object. Amount of matter present in an object. Okay, this mass will be measured by beam balance, physical balance, like that. Okay, but the weight means gravitational force of the earth acting on an object. Okay, the gravitational force acting on an object, that is called weight. Okay, using the spring balance we can measure the weight. Okay, this mass we can measure using the beam balance or physical balance, but the weight can measure using the spring balance. Okay, what is the unit of mass? Kilogram. Unit of mass is kilogram. The unit of weight is Newton. Unit of weight is Newton. It is the scalar quantity. Okay, mass is the scalar quantity because it is described only the magnitude, only the measurement. But weight is the vector quantity. It is described as direction and magnitude. That means number and direction. Okay. And also it will be not become zero. Mass will not become a zero, but weight will become zero because sometimes if the gravitational force is not acting on an object, this weight will be zero. Okay, it will be not vary from place to place. The weight will be vary from place to place. Okay, have you understand this lesson? You should revise the portion lesson 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you should refer book fully. Okay children, you should write the exam well.